In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change side toolbar in Miro. If you use Miro a lot, customizing the tools on the side can save you time and make your workflow feel smoother. Today we'll set up a quick board and then rearrange the tools so your favorites are always right where you need them. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. This takes you to the Miro dashboard where you can create and manage your boards. From here, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to start a fresh workspace for this demo so you can see the changes clearly without affecting any existing boards. Next, choose Board. This opens a blank Miro board. It's a good sandbox for experimenting with layout changes and getting comfortable before you customize a board you use with your team. Once the board loads, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. That vertical strip is the side toolbar. It houses tools like selection, frames, shapes, text, sticky notes, pen, and more. The order of these tools influences how quickly you can switch between tasks, so it's worth setting it up in a way that matches how you like to work. Now, let's change the order. Pick a tool you want to move, then click and hold on it. While holding, drag it up or down within the toolbar. As you drag, you'll see a subtle visual cue showing where the tool will land. Release your mouse to drop it into the new spot. That's it. The tool is now relocated. If it doesn't move the first time, try dragging a little more deliberately within the toolbar area, then release when you see the indicator appear. You can repeat this for any other tools you use frequently. A helpful approach is to group tools by how you think. For example, keep text, shapes, and sticky notes together near the top for quick brainstorming, and place drawing or commenting tools nearby if you use them often. If you change your mind later, just drag a tool back to where it works better for you. Your adjustments will remain in place on this board, so you can build muscle memory and work faster over time. To recap, you went to Miro, created a new board, located the side toolbar on the left, and rearranged tools by dragging them up or down. With a few quick drags, your workspace becomes more intuitive and tailored to your style. Try it now and enjoy a cleaner, faster Miro experience.